Alright, I got another update. This is sitting for 24 hours and we have no leaks, so we're good to go. We're going to start pumping, but first we got to hook up the UV light because we're going to need it. And what I did is I took a torch, I heated this up to accommodate the UV light poking up like that. So we're going to eventually put foam this in so we can put plants on top, and this won't be affected. So right now we're just basically gluing the old foam to the side. I let this sit up. This came out pretty good. It doesn't have to be pretty because we're gonna spray foam it with the new spray wider jet. I guess this bumblebee just woke up this morning. I don't know what he's doing, but so anyways, we're gonna go get some dirt, fill it in around here, because the ivy's getting too much to maintain, so we're gonna eventually get rid of it. Gonna fill all this in with dirt, put it like a planter bed in here. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray foam all these from the old filter a long time ago, and we're going to spray all these in there and then kind of blend it in with the wider foam spray. We'll give it a try. That's what it looks like, but we're all good to go, ready to fire it up, start filtering, and that's an update for you.